Yo, what's up guys? We're back today and we're about to go pick up my new camera, my Sony a6400. I'm using the Sony a5100. You probably already heard it quite a few times. So we're on our way. I accidentally missed the drop off yesterday. Now I have to go pick it up from one of the UPS locations. And I'm super excited because the content's just gonna get way better. It's just gonna be so much better content, like even like the audio straight off the bat, because I'm gonna be using the external mic because it has an input now. This camera that I have didn't, which was unfortunate, so I had to use like an audio recorder. So like that, it's a little bit more work. I did it most of the time, so like I kind of stopped doing it for a while. So let's go ahead and pick it up. All right, boys, we're here. Now let's go ahead and pick it up. It's in a weird spot. It's in like a furniture place, but like I guess it's a UPS pickup point. So, I mean, I guess that's cool, but I mean, whatever. Thank you. All right, guys, package acquired. Let's go ahead and open it up. I'm so excited, man. I feel like I've been forever. Oh man, the moment we've all been waiting for, at least me. Here it is, Sony a6400. Ah man, I can't wait to use this. It looks basically the same as this one. Well, I mean, it's a little bit different. It has a different body because it allows for, I don't know, it's slightly different. It's a little bit bigger, a little bit easier to handle than this one, more ergonomic than the one that is on right now. But I mean, it's basically the same. You know, the handle's a tad bit bigger. You know, it's like a metal body instead of just a plastic one, or you know, some type of composite, something, whatever that is. But it's very much the same. You know, same type of lineup. It's the alpha lineup. It's gonna be a great camera. It's gonna be amazing to use. It still has the flip-up camera. That's sick. Like that's one big thing that I like. We'll go ahead and go with a little bit more in depth and later, but let's go ahead and get out of here because it's freaking hot. I'm blazing up. I don't even have the windows open. Let's get out of here, boys. Next thing I have to get, I already have the, damn, it's super hot. I already have the mic. Next, I have a little cage that I'm gonna put it on because I'll go ahead and explain it later. All right, boys, we got it. Now let's go ahead and jump cut to when I open this stuff up and explain everything, which is like probably 10 hours later. But I'll see you then.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Yo, what's up, boys? Like I said, like 10 hours later, it's 2:15 a.m. We're back, and basically, I don't know if you can see all this down here. Got my camera, got the mic, the cage that I was talking about that we'll get into right now, and the next mod for Apollo. All right, first up, back to this one. a6400, you've seen it, but we're just gonna make it real quick. Nice packaging. Bam. Alright, a6400. This thing shoots up to 4K. I don't think I'm ever really gonna be shooting in 4K, but I mean, it's nice if I wanted to, I guess. Because I mean, I'm sure at some point I will be. But the sweetness of the flip-up screen, and there's the hot shoe right there, / cold shoe, whatever you like to call it. The input, the mic input. So now I'm gonna be able to run this without having to sync audio. This is just the body only. I'm actually gonna be reusing this lens that I have on this camera because it's the same lens that comes on this. So, you know, why pay another $100 for that lens when I already have it? You know, in the box, it also comes with a little strap, Sony one, you know, charger, battery. Time for the cage that I was talking about. In this case, I'm using a screwdriver. I know you're probably like, why don't you just get a knife or something, you know, a box cutter or something. You know, I would be saying that too, I just didn't feel like getting it. Alright, this thing is open. Alright guys, bam, this is it. So this is basically like a little cage for around the camera that I just got. There's one big thing that camera has like a flaw, I guess, to some people, and that's with that flip up screen and with the hot shoe being right there. It blocks your view of the screen. I feel like it's no big deal, first world problems, you know, who cares, but I went ahead and got this because I'm probably going to need this anyways, because it makes it a little more versatile and you can use it in, you know, in a lot of different places, since it is a cage, and then you can mount it in different places too. So it's definitely a good investment. It's only like 25 bucks or something. So I went ahead and got this. It's nice and metal too, so if you drop your camera, try not to, but this can potentially help protect it too. Next thing, bam, Rode mic. I'm about to destroy this packaging. Just did. Bam. Open it up. Okay. Alright, here's the mic. It's in this little fuzzy thing. You can take it out. This is actually going to do very well. But here this is. Perfect. Good investment. Alright boys, like I said, this is the Rode Video Micro little thing. So in total, this is what it's gonna look exactly like. This is the whole setup. You got the cage on here. This is the little thing. Like I said, it relocated the hot shoe or the cold shoe mount. Very small and very compact. This is gonna be the new setup, which is nice. Very nice. Now let's go ahead and move on to the last thing before my camera dies again. Alright boys, last thing, next mod for Apollo lies in these two tubes. Now pry it. There we go. What's this? Nice. Alright boys, if you can't notice, this is tint. I'm gonna be tinting my windows on my own. We'll see how this works. Hopefully I don't fail miserably. I'm gonna be rolling with 20%, which is this right here, in the front two windows, the you know, front driver's side, or yeah, driver's side and passenger side, and this is gonna be 5% for the rear windows, the little mini ones that are kind of like for your blind spot that kind of really don't do anything, but they're kind of just there. Those are gonna be 5%. And the back window is going to be 5% as well. That's what this one is. That's why it's bigger, because this one wouldn't cover the full back window. So I got this one. Next mod for Apollo. Oh damn, that was close. This thing like unravels pretty quick, so I gotta be careful. I'm gonna put this back in. It seemed to be undamaged. I'm gonna go ahead and check the other one too. Nice. Seems to be undamaged as well. This one is 5%. Hopefully I don't completely mess it up, because if I do, then that's gonna suck, but everything looks good to go. Nothing looks too damaged at all, so that's good to see. But anyways boys, that's the end of this video. Peace out. I'll see you in the next one.